आज के इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे स्टैंडर्ड लाइब्रेरी फंक्शंस और हेडर फाइल्स। Library functions, which are also called as built-in functions, are the functions that are already available and implemented in C++. Library functions in C++ are declared and defined in special files called header files, which we can reference in our C++ programs using the include directive. बिल्ट इन फंक्शन और लाइब्रेरी फंक्शन ऐसे फंक्शंस हैं जो सी प्लस प्लस लाइब्रेरी में पहले से ही डिफ़ाइंड होते हैं, इसलिए इन्हें प्री डिफ़ाइंड फंक्शन भी कहा जाता है। हम प्रोग्राम में इन्हें इनकी हेडर फाइल इंक्लूड करके यूज़ में ला सकते हैं, जिसका मतलब है कि हमें किसी भी टास्क के लिए अलग से कोड लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती। These library functions increase your productivity and save your programming time. You do not have to write as much code because they perform many useful tasks for you. जैसे मान लीजिए हमें मॉनिटर को के स्क्रीन को क्लियर करना है, तो इसके लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं CLR SCR, और इसके लिए हम अलग से उसका कोड लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती। हम इस फंक्शन का यूज़ केवल प्रोग्राम में कोनियो डॉट एच, जिसमें यह डिफ़ाइन किया गया है, को इंक्लूड करके करते हैं। हेडर फाइल। A header file is a file with extension .h which contains C function declarations and macro definitions to be shared between several source files. There are two types of header files: the files that the programmer writes and the files that comes with your compiler. हेडर फाइल एक फ़ाइल होती है जो पहले से डिफ़ाइन किए हुए स्टैंडर्ड लाइब्रेरी फंक्शन के ग्रुप को कंटेन किए हुए रहता है। strcpy or string copy. The function strcpy is a standard library function. It is used to copy one string to another. In C++ language, it is declared in string.h header file. It returns the pointer to the destination. strcat. Concatenate means merge to string. The strcat is a string manipulation function defined in string.h header file, which works on a string which is stored in a C-style char array. This function is used to add or concatenate two strings by appending a string at the end of another string. strcmp string compare. strcmp compares the two string. It starts comparison character by character starting from the first character until the characters in both strings are equal or a null character is encountered. It is also defined in string.h. strlen string length. The strlen function is a C++, returns the length of the given string. It is defined in the string.h header file. sqrt. The sqrt function is one of the math and trigonometry functions. It is used to return the square root of a number, where x is a numeric value entered manually or included into the cell you make reference to, and it is defined in the math.h header file. POW. Given two numbers, base and exponent. POW function find x raised to the power of y, that is x power y. Basically, in C, exponent value is calculated using the POW function. POW is function to get the power of a number, but we have to use math.h in C++ to use that function. The function is alpha is used to check that a character is an alphabet or not. This function is declared in ctype.h header file. It returns an integer value if the argument is an alphabet, otherwise it returns 0. The isLower function checks if ch is in lowercase as classified by the current C locale. By default, the characters from A to Z are lowercase characters. The behavior of isLower is undefined if the value of ch is not representable as unsigned char or is not equal to EOF. The isUpper function checks if ch is in uppercase as classified by the current C locale. By default, the characters from A to Z are uppercase characters. The behavior of isUpper is undefined if the value of ch is not ch is not representable as unsigned char or is not equal to EOF. IsDigit. The function isDigit is used to check that character is a numeric character or not. This function is declared in ctype.h header file. It returns an integer value if the argument is a digit, otherwise it returns 0. The toLower function in C++ converts a given character to lowercase. It is defined in the ctype.h header file. The toUpper function in C++ converts a given character to uppercase. It is defined in the ctype.h header file. IsLnum function in C programming language checks whether the given character is alphanumeric or not alphanumeric. Alphanumeric means a character that is either a letter or a number.